Residents of a rural St. Andrew community are this evening crying out for water after promises over the years to get the commodity have gone unfulfilled. Now they're growing frustrated. Cody Ann Barrett has their story.
Miss it bad, Miss a murder, murder. It can't bad no more. Miss a dead, we are go dead, miss.
No water is murder. That's the cry of residents of Top Road, Mavis Bank and St. Andrew East Rural who have been without piped water for over 15 years.
We don't have no pipe. Most yard here now no pipeline. Where we are going to pipe it for, mama? We pipe it for dust and breeze. Can't rate it, I go stay there and spoil and rotten. No water now come in. So we need somebody where we can get water.
And with each new member of parliament comes the same promises.
What they do every time that's election time, if you come, then come and tell you about water. So they know want the water and they want to win. Yes. And after them done with you, them gone. When them gone, you know, see them again till them want to deal with something else, then come. Parliament come, then tell we say, we will get water now do this. And we change most about 4 or 5 MP already. And nothing in water.
When we visited the community last Thursday, residents showed us these water pipes which they say are supplied by a factory at a cost. And it's the only way some get water to fill their tanks.
We have 3 citizens who run water in this community for their own use. They have a juice factory down there, and the owner for it run water, I think 1 year now. So I'm simply saying, if you have citizens that run water in the community for their own use purpose, and the juice factory man, that means we're supposed to can get water likewise.
One resident showed us where she cut her pipe years ago in desperation to get water, but now that pipe is dry. Others travel miles to streams with containers to get water. As for the elderly, they have to pay young men to use their motorbikes to either fill a container of water for them or purchase containers of water. And with no rain in over 2 months, the residents say rainwater harvesting is not even an option.
It bad till it can't bad no more. Some people might look better than me, but me I tell you say, me not get none at all. Me say I murder me a ball for. Me no know me no catch the virus. Because me say, me no have no water at all, Me say I drugs me as train through clot, choose up me as train. We have to buy the water, we go spring we around, so we carry it. So if you have to take one little 5-gallon jug by your head, 3 miles, how much you can carry?
They say no water is trucked to the area either.
All we beg them. We preach to them. Right now, if they send it truck once a month, we are satisfied with the water. The same water we use wash. We have to catch it back in another jug to use if we flush and all them things there.
Our news team contacted MP for the area, Gillette Holness, who told us to give her a call back. However, subsequent calls to her phone went unanswered. Cody Ann Barrett, TVJ News.